So today I'm going to be doing a review and demo video for the company White with Style. So this is an online company that you can order a whitening teeth kit, and I'm super excited to do this today. They are a company that focuses on teeth whitening. This teeth whitening kit is actually $270, but if you get it with my discount code, which is Beautybyjosiek, you will get it for $30. Under $30. It's only $28. Also guys, this is FDA registered, gluten-free, BPA-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and 99.9% kosher. So what came with this kit was everything in this little goodie bag. Let me go through this. And if you guys like my makeup, I did do a tutorial on it. If it is not up yet, it will be up soon. By the way guys, if my eyes look a little swollen, it is actually because I had an allergic reaction to an eyeliner, and it is just now getting back to normal, so please disregard that. Please hit that subscribe button down there to become part of the GlamFam. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They are also at Beautybyjosiek, and let's jump right in. This is the goodie bag, and what we have in here is we have the teeth whitening serum, a little card with instructions and info on it, a little strip to tell you what level of whiteness your teeth are at and what they are at after the whitening. Little business card, some vitamin E cotton swabs, which I really like that they give you, your little mouth moldings, and then the light. We have to create the molds for our teeth, and what we're going to do is boil some water, place these into it, let it get a little soft, put it onto the top of our mouth, suck all the air out, and then take it out, put it in some cold water, do the same for the bottom. Alright, now I'm just going to trim off the excess of the molding around my gums. And this is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not going to show you guys how I'm doing it. I'm just using a regular pair of scissors. I'll be right back. So as you can see, they are pretty white, but I do have some staining around the crevices of like up by the gum area, I guess, if that's what you like, up here. But they are a little bit darker than what they usually are. I'm going to say I am pretty close to, I'm gonna say a 6 on this scale, a 6 or a 7, and I'm really hoping to get to like a 3. I'm gonna put a little tiny dot into each little tooth socket into this mold, and then I'm going to wipe any excess gel that comes out the sides with this little vitamin E swab. Alright guys, so I have rinsed my trays and my mouth out with some water, and this is the results. I've only used this product one time, and I've got to say, it worked pretty good, and I'm really excited to use it like 2 or 3 more times. We were like right here before, remember? Right in this area. But now, we're like here. That's exciting. 3 levels, which that's a lot in one process. I am really excited about this, guys. I will keep you guys updated on how much more this works if you use it more than once on my Snapchat. All in all, see how I can do that? Most of the time, if a product is too strong, it makes my teeth really sensitive and I can't breathe in and out. But I can, and there's no discomfort whatsoever, which I love. I didn't have any problems with getting like that sharp pain. You know what I'm talking about. Like if you've left a teeth whitening product on for too long, you get that little sharp pain, you're like, oh, it's time to take it out. It's time to take it out right now. It's been too long. I left this in for a half an hour, 30 minutes, and I didn't have any of that feeling, which is super nice. Would I recommend this product? Yes, I would definitely recommend White with Style. And of course, once again, I'm going to keep you guys updated on my Snapchat. Maybe the community section on this channel. But I really enjoyed it, and I'm excited to do it again. If you guys would like to check out White with Style, I will leave them in the description below. That is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe down below. It is that red button. It says subscribe on it. It's free, and if you click that and then click the bell next door to it, if you click the subscribe button and then the bell notification, you will never miss another one of my videos.
And I will see you guys in the next one. I love you. Bye!